What's up, YouTubers? All right, here's the full walkthrough of the Ninja. Couldn't do it yesterday, so picked it up from San Francisco yesterday, and I'll show you guys some of the issues with it. First thing is this blinker's broken. Scratches on the fairing. Little nick there, not a big deal. This fairing completely busted. He low-sided it, I guess. And this blinker's also broken. The rear tire, it's got a nail in it somewhere. So they gave me a brand new Michelin Pilot Sport tire. This is the old one. I got a new one. I'll put it on at the shop. And yeah, so overall it's pretty good. It's an 08 Ninja 250R. We're gonna order the flush mounted turn signals here because these are pretty ugly. And it's got a high mileage, actually 20,600 miles, but it fires up and runs pretty good. It's overall pretty clean. My plans are for this to be like my daily driver because I'm in California, so it's gonna get really hot. Weather would be good, and should be a fun little Toyota cruise around with. Not very big, kind of small, but this would be a perfect starter bike, I think. It's only got like 25 horsepower, but she rips, dude. I was doing like 85 earlier, and it runs good. So once the wife gets over here, I'll fire it up and just. Quick little test run of it. This place pretty smooth. Nothing too crazy about it. It's really quiet. Very quiet, so we might get an exhaust for it. And kind of go from there. So it's kind of a full walkthrough tour of it. I don't know what else to really look at on it. Guess we're probably gonna paint these wheels gloss black and do a good cleaning. This guy had this in San Francisco, so he used it every day. So I think he had it since brand new, so he did all of the miles on here. And yeah, stay tuned to a fun project.